I've started a stem stitch here. Now what you want to do is make a stitch going forward about maybe 3 centimeters or 3 millimeters, and then poke up through the center of it, halfway through, and then pull it out all the way, and then come down about 2 millimeters down again. You want to make sure you leave space in between the last stitch and the next stitch, because that's where you're going to poke up from the bottom and come back out. So you see right here, before I pull it up, just to show you, I'm going to come up about somewhere here in the middle. So I'll pull it down, and then I'm going to push it back out. Now, the reason why we come from behind and not stabbing it in front from the top is because otherwise it makes a really ugly hole. So we're going to do it again. And come back out through the middle and up. Now the trick with stem stitch going around curves is the tighter the curve, the shorter the stitch you'll want to make. So that makes it a little bit more able to make the curves so that it's less choppy